What's up, YouTube? Just out here, kind of missed the thing, so I didn't have time to get set up. But it's still going pretty good. Yeah, still going good. Missed a little bit of it. So this is what we get. So this is all we get. Well, you know, if you're a real fan, this is going to happen. It will happen. You will miss trains. Or the locomotive. No, we don't want that. I don't know, that could be the defect detector, but I doubt it, because this radio can go pretty far. See, that don't sound like the defect detector. It sounds like it could be. It could be. Oh, I hear that? That's air leaking. Air should not be leaking from there. Well, guys, looks like we can see the end. Right? Oh yeah, there's the end, guys. Way down there. The guy down there, I don't know. Oh, what's something cool is that the locomotive down there is on, so they must be using it. Tesla over there. Y'all don't care about that. Save Tesla. Nothing special, just a battery operated car. So it looks down there. Y'all can't see, but it looks like looks like he's moving the car. Oh, come on, guy, don't block my shot. He's about to cross. Must be weird. I'm filming a train and all he sees is the camera, but you know. Get your picture of him for you. You can see the brake a little bit. I'll highlight it, but y'all can see. Maybe. There. Here's the locomotive 2635 just sitting there all nice and quiet, sleeping. There goes that one. Right there. Going up. Oh, got it kind of in. Alright guys, another train. Just that one though, not very good. Moving. Just got here in time. I don't know what he's doing, but oh, there's actually some cars down there. And then here, yeah, I'm moving. Looks like he's actually coupled into that. Some cars down there. Pretty nice. Oh guys, not a full train, but DPUs. That's a ballast. Yep. We got some DPUs coming. Or yeah. I don't think they're called DPUs, but you know. I was wondering where these trains were. Found them. It's raining, so. There you go.